Hello guys, good day. So it's me again, Chief Miloy. It's been a long time na we don't have any upload videos because yung barko natin is underway, which is limited Wi-Fi, no? Yung Wi-Fi natin sa barko is only for video call and voice call at the same time sa messenger because of the Wi-Fi provided on board is very limited. So at this time guys, nandito tayo sa Anchorage sa Australia. So this is my best opportunity na magkaroon tayo ng additional na videos, no? So this time, we will conduct the safety devices, no? I-conduct natin yung safety devices ng ating mga machineries. So this is the part of our every 3 months routine na kailangan mag-conduct tayo ng safety devices. So ngayon guys, itong isi-share ko sa inyo is how to conduct the safety device of DG jacket cooling high temperature. So yan yung isi-share ko sa inyo guys, the procedure on how to conduct the safety device of DG jacket cooling high temperature. So normally guys, as part of our normal practice, we have to take out the sensor probe and then we have to submerge to the boiling water above doon sa set point na nakalagay doon sa ating generator. So kailangan pag nag-submerge tayo ng sensor probe natin doon sa tubig, dapat more than sa set point niya guys, kasi normally ang set point nito is 95 to 98. So pag nag-submerge tayo guys, at least 100 degrees centigrade or kumukulo yung tubig. And then the second option is to take out and to hit by the torch yung sensor probe natin. So yan yung hindi tama na paraan kung paano tayo mag-test, kasi maaari nating ma-damage yung probe natin dahil doon sa torch. So dito guys, mayroon tayong pangatlo, no? Ito yung normal na ginagamit ko. This is the safest way at pinakamadaling i-testing, no? Ito yung pangatlong option. Kasi wala naman talagang guidelines sa manual on how to test the high temperature, no? Otherwise, mayroon tayong temperature calibrator, so doon natin ilolog yung sensor natin doon sa temperature calibrator. So dito guys, wala tayong ganun. So yung isi-share ko sa inyo guys, ito yung pinaka safest way at pinakamadali na gagawin. So ito guys ay magtatap lang tayo ng jumper doon sa power supply ng ating sensor. And then pag na-jumper natin doon guys, yung mag-activate na yung high temperature. So ito guys, para ma-witness nyo, samahan nyo ako, mag-testing tayo ng jacket cooling high temperature alarm. Okay guys, first thing first, you have to look the temperature transducer. Once you find out the device, remove or loosen the center screw of temperature transducer. Then after you loosen the screw, take out the head. Once you already take out the head, check the contact and check for the ground where you can connect the jumper. Once the jumper is connected to the contact and one arm is connected to the ground, a high temperature of jacket cooling is activated and alarm is sounded. The trip device is activated and next is to shut down the engine. So guys, once you don't have this kind of jumper, you can use a small cable wire so that you can contact and to activate the high temperature jacket cooling alarm of DJ engine. To check the high temperature alarm is activated, you can go to the engine control room and check for the display panel. So now the high temperature of jacket cooling DJ engine is alarm and activate the tripping device of DJ engine. So guys, thank you for watching these videos. God bless and have a nice day. So we will meet again to my next videos.